Sometimes in my spare time, I show kids magic tricks. One kid walked up to me and says he does magic also. And I said, really, what type of magic do you do? He says he does mentalism. He says he draws playing cards and knows who is going to choose them. And then he puts them in an envelope like this. Well, I guess they're teaching new math at school, and now they're probably teaching new spelling as well at the schools. Anyway, his artwork is very intricate. For instance, here is his Ace of Spades, and here is his Queen of Hearts. So he asked me, who am I going to try to do a magic trick with? I said, I don't have anyone here. I'll have to use my Amazon device. He says he's got the perfect card for that. I'm trying to think which one of these. I don't think it was his King of Diamonds. I don't think he mentioned that. And I don't recall him saying that it was this Nine of Clubs. I'm pretty sure this is the card he said that the Amazon assistant would choose. Well, if I ask the Amazon assistant to choose a playing card, jokers are not really considered playing cards. And normally I would just tell people to just, choose a card. However, the Amazon assistant doesn't have any arms, so we'll have to do it a different way. Alexa, random playing card.
Your card is the Four of Diamonds.
Four of Diamonds. Let's look for that in the deck here. And there we go. Let's see how well my little friend did. As you can see, my little friend chose the Four of Diamonds. I don't know how he does it. Every time he draws a card based on a name, he always gets it right.